What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And I actually missed this article. It was posted on December 7th, so a couple days ago now. I don't actively use Nicehash, but this was posted on their Nicehash official blog, and they will be removing the Coinbase free withdrawals. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, Nicehash is a mining platform. You can mine cryptocurrencies. They pay you out in Bitcoin, and then you can take that Bitcoin and transfer it to your Coinbase account with zero fees, and it was basically instant. They did have some issues where temporarily, sometimes stuff wouldn't be going instant and it would take a little bit, but normally it was instant and it was free. That was a really, really big advantage of using Nicehash. Now, typically for the last year or so, mining on Nicehash would always net you a little bit lower of mining revenue than mining directly. But a lot of people were like, I get it, faster payouts, I get lower payouts, and I get them free to my Coinbase account. And that was pretty hard to argue with, and understandable. But now, as of December 7th, they did say that Coinbase free withdrawals will be gradually phased out. This process will happen in two stages from Tuesday, the 14th of December. So coming on just a few days from now, 4 days from now, the Coinbase free instant withdrawals will be set with a fee to match the regular blockchain withdrawals. This means that when making a withdrawal to Coinbase, you will pay the same as a regular withdrawal to any Bitcoin address, which is currently 0.000005 BTC, and at the time of writing this article, about 25 to 30 cents. So still not much of a fee. On the 1st of January 2022, the Coinbase with instant withdrawal feature will be removed from our platform altogether. So, understandable, I guess. If they're not going to use it, then take it off. The Coinbase minimum withdrawal amount will remain at 0.0005 or about $25 at the time of writing this article. The same amount needed for regular withdrawals. So your minimum withdrawal is not changing, but you will have a fee depending on network congestion and that kind of thing. We would like to highlight that after this transition, you will still be able to withdraw to Coinbase. You just won't be able to withdraw to Coinbase for free, and it won't be instant. Luckily, most of the time, the Bitcoin network's not super congested, so Bitcoin transfers go through pretty quickly, and it doesn't look like the fees are going to be anything like sending Ethereum. So 25, 50 cents, even a dollar doesn't even hold a candle to the current Ethereum fees. Just, silver lining here. So if you did still want to use Nicehash, it's not like the end of the world. But I do know that there are a couple people out there, people that brought this article up to me, that are this was kind of like the final straw. They're jumping off of Nicehash, and they're going to go to direct mining. Also, they did say that Coinbase withdrawals will take place like a regular blockchain withdrawal. To do so, you must add your Coinbase wallet address to your Nicehash account by following these steps. I'll put the link down below for the article so you can, if you need that information, you can follow those steps. And it says, we would also like to inform you that you can withdraw or exchange your funds via? Is it via or via? I don't know. Other methods inside your account. Me being in the U.S., I don't qualify for their exchange program, so I can't do that. That's what they're talking about here, though. So let me know, guys. Are you on Nicehash? Are you going to stay on Nicehash? Are you worried about the fees? Are you worried about losing the instant transfers? What are your guys' thoughts? For me, it doesn't really affect much of anything. If Nicehash becomes the most profitable platform again, it used to be years ago. If you weren't on Nicehash, you weren't making nearly as much daily profit. And I say that because long term, you're getting paid out in Bitcoin. So long term, you may actually end up doing better mining a coin that is at a lower value, and then the value goes higher. But just talking about day to day, Nicehash was beating out the rest of the market 99% of the time. Now, for the last year, during this crazy bull run, they haven't been able to keep up. They've always been 10 to sometimes even 20% behind. but it's still been easy. It's been no fees, so they're losing a couple of those. They're losing some of the advantages. So, are you guys on Nicehash? Are you staying on Nicehash? Comment down below. Let me know. Nicehash strong or Nicehash. Let me know. Anyway, with that being said, peace out. I'm gonna get to cleaning up the garage because I made an absolute mess the other day. If you can't see, there's a box of right there, a box of risers, cables, and like power supply plugs. Because I gutted one of my dead machines and threw it all in the box. Yes, I have a dead H110 Pro BTC, and it absolutely is just making me cry because those motherboards are very, very expensive to replace right now. I am gonna send it off. Apparently, there are some common fixes. I don't know until it's set in stone and I figure out what happened to the board and if it is fixable. I'm not gonna make a video about fixing the board because I think it's dead. I think there's no bringing it back. This will be my second H110 Pro BTC that has died on me. Alongside all these gigabyte boards like the H110 D3A, those have not died. Octominer boards, those have not died. But yeah, H110 Pro BTCs, some of my favorite boards, dying. They're dying like flies. So anyway, guys, take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.